So guys, in today's video, I will be telling you about exercise 8. So, exercise 8 is the merge the PDF. And now, in this class, I will be telling you and give you the homework to exercise 5, and then I will be telling you a solution in next video, but not this video. But in this video, I will be giving you one homework, one exercise 8, merge the PDF. So now let's come to the computer screen and let's see how's the exercise, what fundamentals or what variables you are used in this merge the PDF exercise 8. So now I'll not take a long time, so let's get started. So in today's class, what you will do, write the program to manipulate PDF files using PyPDF. Your programs should be able to merge multiple PDF files into a single PDF. You are welcome to add more functionalities by PyPDF is a free and open source pure Python PDF library capable of splitting, merging, cropping and transforming the pages of PDF files. It can also add custom data, viewing options and passwords to PDF files. PyPDF can retrieve text and metadata from PDFs as well. So you will be like I am telling you what you will be do to merge the PDF, because in exercise 8 I will be telling you how exercise 8 I will be this topic is the merge the PDF. So how I will be tell you what you will be use, what you can by using, and you write a program to manipulate PDF files using PyPDF. What? PyPDF. Like I have telling you, like PyPDF, like this PyPDF. You will be use it and do it from that, like here you will be see you will be do it like that. So I hope you can understand this class. So enjoy, please like this video, share your friend and subscribe to my channel, and go to the YouTube and search my channel by the name of Code with PK, and when you will be search and then go to the here and go to the playlist and go to the Python tutorial with projects, and when you will be go, so please bookmark it and access my playlist, like my videos and share with here and subscribe my channel and all the notification bell and see all the videos like here you have seen. So please, I hope you enjoy this class, like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and if you not hit the subscribe button, subscribe and all the notification bell, and when you will be all the notification bell, the my video is come very fast, okay, so on your notification icon. So now I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python, and now for today, goodbye.